Hey, so I just got these mixing bowls and I thought I'd show them to you because I'm really, really excited. I have been on a journey of doing a lot of plastic reduction in my house and just trying to not have anything, especially that I'm eating out of, right? And so I got these mixing bowls and let me show them to you because I am crazy about them. So one of the things that I like is that there's no plastic, right? You have the stainless steel, I think that's stainless steel. And then what I was really, really impressed with are the lids. They feel so heavy duty, right? You've got like this glass. Sorry, you see the ring light in there. Gotta love that. And then this silicone is wrapped all around it with some nice ridges that are going to help to really get a good seal on the bowls. So let me show you. We have a lid for each one, and then the stainless steel bowls are going to have like a silicone base on the bottom, which is really nice. I like that because it doesn't make a lot of clanging when I set one like on the kitchen counter. And then on the inside, you're not going to be able to see it with the lights hitting the bowl, but you're going to have some measurements. So you're going to have quarts and liters on all of the bowls. But let me just show you, when you put the lid on, the seal is really nice. I'm just going to kind of press that in. You want to press to get it nice and tight. And you can see like it's not going anywhere. It's really solid. I'm just so impressed with these. They're beautiful. I love like these kind of like muted tones. I do a lot of like grays, tans, golds, browns. I just love neutrals a lot. And so I really like this color. So anyway, I'm just super happy with these and think they're going to be great for anyone who decides to pick them up.